In this video, we will explore how to efficiently find products on Spocket using categories instead of typing keywords. Instead of entering a keyword, you can clear the search field and browse all available categories. Every category will be displayed for you to select the most relevant ones. Categories related to items such as apparel and watches are included, and each contains thousands of products. For example, products in the apparel and watch categories alone display over 10,000 items. Once you find a category that matches your business needs, click on it to view the products. Browse through the options carefully and select the products you like and wish to sell. To reach potential customers and prepare for import, use the option to add the product to your import list. This action ensures that the chosen product is stored in your import list for future use and easy management. Following these steps allows you to quickly identify trending and relevant products, organize them efficiently, and build your dropshipping store more effectively. By focusing on categories, you reduce time spent searching with keywords and gain better visibility of the full range of products available on Spocket. Spocket helps you build your dropshipping store in just 5 minutes with AI. Access high-quality products with super fast shipping from premium US and EU suppliers. Start your free 14-day trial at YB.Digital/drop and revolutionize your e-commerce success today.